Hello, everybody. I'm gonna show you how to make a sword. I'm gonna start by deleting some faces. Oh my, it's just... And we're gonna double click on those to bring them down. Then we're gonna do a two-handed sword. Just getting our edge loops into position. Inserting edge loops. My name is Lathan. I'm a graduate of Forsyth Tech Community College of the Digital Effects and Animation program. And this is my skill, my mastery. The band I'm listening to right now is called Gallery of Ghouls. I know you can't hear it, but I can. And they have a song called Dr. Croc. And man, is it good. I'm using hotkeys to switch between the modes. So W would be the arrow mode, or it would be that mode. I don't really use E mode too often, but Q clears your mode. Hello, cat. I have a cat. Her name is Stella Blue. And her favorite thing to do in the morning is get under my chair. Because she's special. Trying to think what kind of sword I want to do here. Vertex. So, what I have is a hotkey for merge to center. And that's what it is there, merge to center. Makes some things easier. Then we're gonna go with, oh shit. Never extrude vertexes. It's not a smart idea. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm gonna make a sort of berserk, sort of Viking sword. Merge that to center. Looks a bit plain at the moment. But I'm gonna show you how to spiff it up, baby! I'm not good at catchphrases yet. I'll get there. Give me some time. Gallery of Ghouls song. Dr. Croc. It's a good one. Feeling good, Pete? Yeah. cat. How do you feel about that? Oh shit. His name was Tom. We're going to do an edge loop right here. And then we are going to do something a bit different. Where is it? We're going to bevel. Now you can do it on the sword wherever the hell you want. But you're saying, Lathan, it's just a plane. Yeah, it is. That's why God gave us the extrude function. Whoa, my lord, how does he do it? It's dark magic. I'm screwing with you. No, you don't want it to be too thick because it is a sword, but you want it to still be thick. One thing a lot of movies get wrong is how heavy swords are. And video games do it too, but I have noticed as of late a trend of it getting better, I would say. Now, I want to make sure that the edge you're selecting here, sorry I had to pet the cat, goes all the way down. You will see. You see it. So it doesn't overlap. Bringing it back to this mode. Now we're going to extrude those. Bring them in a little bit, not too much. And then we're going to bevel it. It's a nice bevel. You can give it some nice smooth depth there. I was super tired last night when I listened to this song, Dr. Croc. We're gonna keep extruding these. Now your next question might be, do you like Game of Thrones? Not particularly, but as of late I've taken up to watching it. And it's okay. It's good in terms of visuals. Although in terms of story, sadly there is only one thing in this world that has a story that is truly great. And that is, you're right, Lord of the Rings, stupid. Welcome to reality. He's hunting for their knees. Super Wolf Blood Moon. Super Wolf Blood Moon. Super Wolf Blood Moon. So if you want to do something fancy, you could do 2 and make it smoother. But that's not what I want to do. I want to do this. This is some violent music. Loving it. We're making it round ourselves by doing this. See? Not completely rounded, but still rounded. Pet the cat some more. Yes, you were lovely. We are going to cover color in this. What we're going to use here is a tool called Circularize. Now we're going to turn evenly distribute off. Why? Well, because it frankly screws a lot of things up. Ignore that. That was me accidentally putting caps lock on. There we go. I think they're trying to imitate werewolf sounds in this song. It's not going too well for them. Now, Stella, no. Rightfully, I'm gonna have to bevel you. I know, it looks like crap. Yeah. I'm gonna bring those in. I'm gonna save here. Save scene. That's done. That's done. Great sword. And I will pick this video up next time.